Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen, also known as the Platter Kitchen. And I am here because tonight I'm going to be trying the last item that I was sent from the company MamaSezz. And I was provided a shipment of their products, and I've been going through over the last couple weeks trying them out. And I kind of saved supposedly one of the best products for last. It's one of their most popular, and it's MamaSezz chili. And so today is the perfect day for doing this. It's a little windy and blustery outside here in Sedona. And I need something fast and easy because I've had a really busy day. Actually, I've had a really busy week. And that's how I found that these products are super helpful for me. Even though I love to cook, I don't like to spend all my time in the kitchen. I don't have time to spend sometimes a lot of time in the kitchen. So what I'm gonna do tonight is whip up the MamaSezz chili. I'm gonna maybe make up some quick cooking polenta from Bob's Red Mill, or I also have from Ancient Harvest some pre-made polenta where I can just slice it up and bake it and have it along with the chili with a nice side of salad. And I think I am going to really enjoy it. So stay tuned for part 2 for the taste test.